Tell me about yourself. Yes, sir. Hello, sir. I'm Pratima. My name means honest, and I'm very much similar to my name. I have done my graduation in BSc Mathematics from SRTMU Nanded University with 78%. I belong to Jintur, and Jintur is also called as Jainpur. Famous place in Jintur is the Nemgiri. I My hobbies are reading and listening music. I'm a jovial girl and I don't like anybody to remain sad in my company. As far as my strengths are concerned, I'm a hardworking and keep a positive attitude. I like meeting new personality, positive attitude and successful person and learn new things from them. I'm a competitive girl and I love challenges. Thank you, sir. Why bank? Bank is a potential sector which is growing at an excellent rate. Here is an opportunity to meet new personality and itself my hobby also. Bank provide various facility like monetary aspect which I believe quite necessary for middle class girl like me. Okay. Why ICICI? ICICI is the one of the best bank all over India. This bank provide an opportunity to go abroad also, and there are number of branches in abroad. If you want to go outside in India, so ICICI Bank provide various facility and also give very better chance. Working culture of this bank is very nice. Course of the PGDBM is the very good as compared to the other banks. Student feedback regarding that course is also very good. That's why I want to join these banks. About ICICI, yes sir. ICICI is a multinational bank, registered office in Vadodara, Gujarat, headquarters situated in Mumbai. This bank founded in June 1994 in Vadodara, Gujarat. ICICI Bank is the first bank who started the internet banking and launched the mobile banking operation in 1998. First CEO of this bank is the Chanda Kochar and now the CEO of this bank is the Sandeep Bakshi. Girishchandra Chaturvedi is the chairman of the ICICI Bank. ICICI means Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Thank you, sir. About your family, yes, sir. In my family consists 4 members. It includes my parents, me, and my brother. My brother has a shop. My mother is housewife. My father is head of my family, and my father is a doctor. As your father is a doctor, then why you choose this banking sector? Yes, sir. No doubt, doctor is a liable field and I respect this field from the bottom of my heart. Sir, but my interest making new friend, meeting new personality and exploring new culture. I must join the organization where I can freely predict it and where I get everything in banking sector. As I am a mathematics student, mathematical calculation is the parts and part of banking job. As I am a versatile girl, so I can adjust in banking sector. That's why. Thank you, sir. Your hobbies? Yes, sir. My hobbies are reading and listening music, like meeting new personalities, positive attitude, successful girls, and exploring new cultures. Thank you. Strengths? Yes, sir. As far as my strengths are concerned, I am a hardworking and keep positive attitude. Okay. Weaknesses? Yes, sir. I need to improve my handwriting and I want to uh, everything in a perfect manner. Thank you, sir. Okay. Tell me about your first 5-year plan. Yes, sir. In my first 5-year plan, I would like to join ICICI Bank as an assistant manager. Here I will work with full honesty and sincerely. I will give my 100%. And I want to see myself at the designation of ICICI manager. Okay. Your contribution? Yes, sir. Sir, I want my senior give me ample work so that I can develop my dexterity. Here I will work with 100% and I will give my 100%. Thank you, sir. Team or alone? Yes, sir. Sir, if really need, I am, sir, if really need, I am ready to work alone. But my preference is always work with team. because much more get achieved if people pull together. Thank you, sir.